Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is May 6th. We do have, corn up a little bit from the overnight session, up about 3 cents. Beans unchanged with wheat about a penny higher. So how are we going to finish out the week? We've seen some very exciting markets. We have seen some profit taking, though, as we get closer to the USDA supply and demand report next week. Now, we're going to be reminded of some bigger numbers, some larger carry-out numbers as we get closer to this report. And so we had seen these markets push quite a bit higher, and now starting to slow that down and starting to pull back a little bit. Beans ended up taking out some support yesterday. If we do end up taking out July beans, that $10 mark, the next stop is actually down to that 380 or the 986 level. So these are all things that we could see. This thing could escalate very quickly if we end up seeing this type of a move. Corn at these levels, probably getting to a point where it should be able to find some value again. Wheat, probably going to look for a lot of back and forth trade. But beautiful weather over the next couple of days for most of the Midwest before we see some rain again behind this. So we will see planting continue, and we should end up seeing some planting or some fields being worked that haven't gotten done yet. I know around us here, we should be able to get back in the fields today, tomorrow, and maybe even Sunday before we get some rain. So good luck out there to you producers, and we'll take a look at planting progress here on Monday. But look for things to even up in position squaring ahead of that report next week. Livestock, cattle, could end up starting off a little bit better. But we did see box beef. Box beef has been falling aggressively since April 18th. Now finally trying to catch itself, but we're hearing cash bids at 120 right now. No trades yet this week. Still a chance, though, that we may not see any trade till after the close today, but expect to see some choppy markets. If we can get this box beef to start firming up, maybe we'll see these bids and see trade start to firm up as well, and give us a little bit more extension here to the upside from what we've seen here in recent days. Hogs, expect back and forth trade there out of hogs. We are overbought, but the trends look pretty good. And if we do get some excitement out of cattle, maybe these hogs can find some strength as well. But we are overbought. We are due for a setback for hogs, but I'm not sure if we're ready for that here just yet. Stock market down 59. We've got crude oil down about 10 cents and the dollar down about 22. So let's watch these grains today. What kind of reaction are we going to get on Friday? A lot of times, whatever the trend is for the week, we continue that to finish out the week. So we'll see how that plays out today. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at Allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day out there, and we'll chat again with you next week. Take care.